In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a website using AI. But instead of starting with code and instantly regretting everything, we'll first generate a website design image using GPT image generation. Then we'll take that design into Codex and turn it into a working website. After that, we'll export it as a zip file and upload it to WordPress as a theme. First, open GPT and ask it to suggest some website ideas. I'll type, "Give me some modern website ideas that I can turn into a landing page design." GPT gives us a few options. You can pick any topic you like, but for this video, I'm going with option 3, a luxury smart home product landing page, because apparently even homes need to be smarter than us now. Now I'll tell GPT, let's start with option 3. Next, we'll ask GPT to generate a landing page design image for this topic. At first, GPT might generate a full website design. Sometimes it looks good, and sometimes it looks like the website was stretched using a rubber band. That's what happened here. The design is too long and stretched, so instead of asking for the full website, we'll ask GPT to generate only the hero section or the first screen of the landing page. This gives us a cleaner design that's easier to work with. After the first section is done, we need to generate the rest of the website. For that, I'll tell GPT to create the remaining sections while keeping the same design system, colors, typography, and overall style. GPT will generate the images for each section, and once everything looks good and consistent, we'll take all of those images into Codex and convert them into a working website. But here's the important part. Don't ask Codex to build the entire website in one prompt. That sounds easy, but the result can be messy. The spacing may break, the layout may look different, and suddenly your luxury smart home website looks like it was built during a power cut. So we'll build it section by section. First, ask GPT to create a detailed prompt for Codex. You can type, "Give me a detailed Codex prompt to recreate this landing page design as a responsive website section." Copy the prompt, then open Codex. Now upload the landing page image, paste the prompt, and let Codex generate the section. Once it's done, click Preview to check how it looks in the browser. If something looks wrong, use the annotation option. Just click the area you want to change and type what needs to be fixed. For example, make this text smaller, move this button down, or make this section closer to the image. Codex will update it, and then you can preview the site again. Now, repeat the same process for the rest of the website. Go back to GPT and ask for a detailed prompt for the next section. This could be a feature section, benefit section, testimonial section, pricing section, or footer. Copy the prompt, paste it into Codex, generate the section, preview it, and fix anything that looks off. Yes, we're doing it one section at a time. Basically, we're giving AI one job at a time, which is usually safer for everyone involved. Once all the sections are ready, check the full website. Look at the spacing, buttons, images, and mobile responsiveness. Because if it only looks good on your screen, congratulations, you built a screenshot, not a website. Now we need to move this website to WordPress. Ask Codex to package the final website as a WordPress theme ZP file. Download the ZP file, then open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Click Add New Theme, then Upload Theme. Choose the zip file, upload it, and activate the theme. Now preview the website. If anything looks broken after uploading it to WordPress, take a screenshot, give it back to Codex, and ask it to fix the issue. Codex will update the files and give you a new zip file. And that's it. You just generated a website design with GPT, turned it into a working website with Codex, and uploaded it to WordPress. The main thing to remember is simple. Don't build the full website in one prompt. Build it section by section. It gives you a cleaner result and saves you from fighting with broken layouts for the next 3 business days. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.